Okay, today we're gonna use bait netting, which is this. I showed you in several videos on how to cut it. So we're gonna turn this inside out. I got a cut piece of shrimp here. I leave the head on because there's a lot of gauze in the head. There's a lot of juices that would go wasted if we just cut the head off. So we're gonna slide the baiting over the tip over here. See how they got the horn over here? Slide that over that. Let it catch up. Okay, that's what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna get the hook. I'm gonna crisscross it. This is a circle hook, BKN style, number 22. Good for almost anything except for the smallest species. I'm trying to stay away from the smaller ones. So I'll tend to go with a little bit bigger hook to stay away from the smaller species. See, just crisscross it like that. That's it. So now we're just going to check this out with our 3-way swivel. Okay, so what I did is I'm cutting up this jumbo shrimp into 3 parts. Turn the bag inside out. And you notice I'm going to use the whole head. I kept one section of the meat there and it blocks up all the gullas into the head section. And you notice you got the horns over here, right? See that? The horns? That'll help keep the bag in one place. I'm using a little bit smaller hook than I normally would, so just in case there's like 2 or 3 pounders, I should be able to hook those. See how I crisscross it? Just like that. And I like it with the head in. It's a good presentation. I mean, if you were a fish, would you turn that down? Okay, Wayne Chow is going to bring this one in. We got something small here. This was a bait bag with shrimp in it. Looks like it's still on. What do you think? Oeo or papillo? It came off? Keep reeling it in, because sometimes the wheel will charge the shoreline. Just keep reeling it in. Oh yeah, you're right, it came off. Shoot. Well, we had something. I did have something on, but look what happened. Half the bait bag is chewed off and it sucked out the head. I only had this out for 5 minutes. Look at that, the head. See, look at that. Something just bit the bag in half. So there's something out there. Okay, I just cut a large shrimp into 3 parts using the big bait bag. So after tying the bag, we're going to turn it inside out. Put the cut end down on the nub. Okay, we're going to put the hook to it. Okay. This is a Mustad live bait hook. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist and turn the top part. Okay. See what I'm doing? I'm twisting and turning the top. That's it. That's what it looks like. Look at it. Something tore to the side of the bag and tore the whole shrimp out of there. Look at that. The antennas and the head's still there, but something just yanked out the rest.